At SeLF Luna Farm, we bring a new perspective to agriculture, construction, and land management through aerial photogrammetry. Using the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, a state-of-the-art drone, and advanced imaging software, we transform ordinary photographs into precise 2D maps and 3D models, giving you accurate insights to make smarter decisions. Our process begins with capturing high-resolution aerial images. By flying systematic missions with 70 to 80% overlap, we ensure every detail is visible from multiple angles. These images are then processed into orthomosaic maps, digital elevation models, and 3D reconstructions. For farmers, managers, and growers, we provide crop health analysis, yield forecasting, and irrigation planning. The advanced software is calibrated to determine normalized difference vegetation index, NDVI. NDVI is a calculation using light reflectance from plants to measure their health and vigor. Performing plant health mapping lets you see issues long before the human eye can detect them, reducing costs and increasing productivity. For the construction and land development sector, our photogrammetry services deliver up-to-date site maps, earthwork volume calculations, and progress monitoring. That means faster reporting, improved accuracy, and fewer costly surprises on the job site. In forestry, conservation, and environmental management, we help track canopy growth, assess habitat health, and map sensitive landscapes with minimal disturbance. Even in heritage and archaeology, our 3D models provide a permanent, measurable record of irreplaceable sites. With SeLF Luna Farm's aerial services, you don't just get maps, you get actionable intelligence. Whether it's saving time, cutting costs, or protecting resources, our mission is to deliver clarity from above so you can act with confidence on the ground. SeLF Luna Farm, LLC, bringing precision, perspective, and value to every acre, every site, every project. Call SeLF Luna Farm for your aerial photogrammetry and mapping needs.